Greetings, 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 everyone. How are you doing today? Wonderful, we hope. This is LaShawn Adesemilolu,
Hey y'all, this is Moses Adesimilolu, the
the founders
founders of
of
Rise
Rise
Business
Business
Solution.
Solutions.
Yeah.
We help motivated, inspired, and very ambitious individuals to level up their lives, build and scale profitable tax businesses. This is what we do. This is what we love. In today's training video, we are talking all about the art of the follow
The
up.
art of the follow up. The art of the follow up is a very, very important thing that you want to have in your business to help your business to even get better in life.
Right.
Because when you are following up on your clients, you're actually touching their shoulder and saying, they've already done business with you. You know, if the transaction is done, you've received your money, they've received their service, but you actually care. And so you tap on the shoulder and say, hey, how was your experience? If you notice, this big companies, AT&T, for example, after you speak to a customer, they send you an email. They say, rate your experience with the customer. No, rather, after you speak to a customer representative,
Right.
they send you an email and say, rate your experience with the client, with the representative. Were you highly satisfied or were you dissatisfied? This is the moment of truth in which you could use in your business to help you to grow.
That's right. So a lot of the big companies know the importance of surveying their customers and following up. What did you think about the service? But a lot of smaller companies are not taking the opportunity to really get very, very valuable data about your business. And this is what following up can do. So, what we want to do as elite tax entrepreneurs is to ensure that we're following up with every single client to understand realistically and honestly what did they think about the service. So, what we want to do is number one, create a survey, right? We want to create a survey that asks very specific, intentional questions. What did you think about the service? What did you think about the price? What did you think about the length of time? And one of the most important questions, would you recommend this company to a family or friend?
Yes.
So just real quick, we do have a survey for you if you want to use. We have a template and we will link that down below. You can get that if you want access to it, or you can create your own. But we want to ask our clients this after they have already done business with us. So you got your tax client, you prepared their taxes, they got paid, business is done. Now you want to ask, hey, what did you think about the service? Okay, we really want to do this because there's money in the follow-up.
Yep.
You can take that very, very valuable data and use it to improve your business. So for example, if the client said, oh, the time that it took to process my tax return was too long, then there's an opportunity in your business to fine tune, especially if they said they would not recommend a company to a family or friend. So how can we improve the time? Maybe you can hire additional help in your business that will allow you to make the time faster. If there was a complaint about the price, maybe there's some work there. But we can understand where there's room for improvement in our business. And likewise, we can do this with our staff too. So if you are a tax business owner and you have tax preparers, graphic designers, different people that you employ in your business, it's always a good idea to survey them after the tax season and ask, what did you think about the company? What did you think about the pay? What did you think about the benefits? Will you be continuing on with us? And most importantly, would you recommend this as a place to work for a family or friend? Now, we started implementing this in our business with our tax preparers, and we saw a very, very drastic change once we did this.
Yep. It was very, very good to do something like that because what we learned is we are not perfect.
No.
We as business owners, we get so caught up into our ideas and our ideologies and the way we want to run the business. However, if we are giving this service or the goods to the customers and for some reason they are dissatisfied, then that means that your business really needs some tweaking.
Right.
And, we understand, and we business owners too, the business is like your baby, right? and you don't want nobody to come in there and try to tell you how to raise your child. However, you really want to listen to somebody who you are looking to get money from to tell you how to raise your child. Because, that child is what's going to bring you some money. That business is what's going to bring you some money. And you want to listen to them and say, okay, why don't you add this into your business? Why don't you do this? Why don't you provide this for us? Let me give you a quick example. When we started to put our house on Airbnb, right? We didn't really know much about Airbnb.
Right. Let's tell them what Airbnb is. Okay, some people might not know.
For some people that don't know, Airbnb basically is a platform that you use, right? Airbnb. I don't even know what it stands for, but it's a platform that you use to actually to put your house or put your residence online for people to come and rent for a certain amount of time, right? And what we did was we had some people to rent our location for a few days, a week or so. We traveled somewhere. It was really nice, paid vacation because they were already paid for that. Now, what we did was after they left the place, we asked them for a review, for a survey. And we said, okay, what are the things that we could work on to make it better? What are the things you were satisfied with? They gave us great reviews. They were satisfied. It was clean. It was nice. It was a nice luxury area. Now, one thing that they said, which is a simple thing, right? Very simple thing. The lady was like, oh, it would be nice if you actually had a coffee maker.
Right.
And we were like, oh, that's right, coffee maker. Exactly. People like to drink coffee.
Right.
Simple thing like that you would normally would have thought of, right? Because nobody's perfect. You wouldn't have thought of it, but the review, as simple thing as a review, as a survey, gave you the idea that, okay, why don't you get a coffee maker? You know what we did?
We got a coffee maker.
Exactly, because we're not ignorant. We're going to listen to the customers because, hey, we want more customers.
That's right. And so as we are turning our business into a very, very powerful asset for ourselves, we need to start getting this valuable data and finding ways that we can improve our business. So I know for a lot of tax entrepreneurs that we work with, when they have tax preparers as contractors, a big thing is the high turnover.
Yep.
So a lot of people are upset about the fact that they train these tax preparers, and then after one season or two seasons, they will go elsewhere or start their own business or something like that. If you begin to survey your tax preparers as the seasons go on, you will start understanding what they need prior to them leaving, right? Mm-hmm. If somebody is saying like, well, I wish the benefits were better, or, the schedule could have been better, or I don't feel like my opinions were heard and valued, then you can use that information to begin tweaking your business. Yeah. It's not necessarily about trying to hold on to the tax preparers, because you have to hold the belief that you're going to attract the people that are right for your business.
Exactly.
But we want to begin getting better and better every day in every way. So if we understand areas where there is a challenge and there's room for improvement, we can begin implementing that in our business. Yeah. So we saw our turnover drastically decrease once we started getting these surveys. Now, you don't want to take everything and just, do drastic changes in your business. You want to really look through the surveys and find, like, what is the common denominator? Because sometimes people will say, oh, the price, the money that you give is good. And somebody will say, oh, it's fair. And so if that's the case, then you don't have to make drastic changes to the amount you're paying. But if there's a common thread, if somebody's saying dissatisfied, all across the board, then we know that this is something that we really need to work on in our business. Okay, so these are just a few areas that we can begin implementing follow-up in our business, with our clients, with our team, in any area where we desire growth and improvement in our business. Mm-hmm. So our video today was all about the art of the follow-up. Be sure that you are using this in your tax business so that you can grow and see longevity in this industry.
Yes, like and share this video.
Absolutely.
And if you are looking to work with us, the link is in the comment below. If you're looking to grow your tax business, or you're looking to become a tax preparer, or you're just looking to get your taxes done.
Hey,
the link is right there in the comments below. We hope this video actually touched somebody out there, because we genuinely just put these videos out there to reach somebody and have them implement this into their life, and possibly even share the knowledge on to other people, because hey, we got the knowledge from somebody too.
That's
You
right.
know what I'm saying?
Yeah, when we started our business, guys, there were not people out here that were
Nah, there was
really
nobody.
genuinely trying to help. It was just about, look, I just want to take the
How
money.
much can they make from you?
Exactly. So we do this as an effort to give back. I wish I wish my younger self could have had coaches like Moses and I. Even just the
We always
videos
say that,
watching.
don't we? Like,
I
man,
mean,
we
where's the
wish
lie?
we wish we actually had us when we first started. You know, we wish we actually had people like us that
Right.
would be like, willingly too. We'd be like, hey, I can help you. You know, just gotta do it like this and do it like this, and
Exactly.
voila.
Yeah, there's
So
a
that's
great
why we
saying,
here now.
guys. Either you're going to pay in time or you're going to pay in money. So either you're going to invest in a coach and pay in money and get the shortcuts, or you're going to not invest in a coach, save your money, and spend lots and lots of time trying to grow your tax business.
I mean, but then are you really saving money?
You're definitely not
'Cause you're
saving
still
money.
paying.
And time is the one thing that we really don't have a lot of. So we never want to be spending our time. And money is something that comes and goes.
Yes.
So anywho,
That's
we
another
hope
video.
you guys enjoyed this. Please like and share, and we will be back very, very soon with more information, guys. Peace, love, and blessings.
Peace
Until
out.
next time.
Live your best life.